And US President Donald Trump's tariff bomb was expected to be a mega blow for the Indian stock markets. But surprisingly enough, investors have largely shrugged off the 25% tariff threats from US President Donald Trump. The day began with a setback. The markets opened in the red. Equity investors lost 5 lakh crore rupees in 15 minutes early in the day. But as the day progressed, stocks recovered those losses completely. The blue chip Sensex index, Sensex jumped over 1,000 points, in fact, from the day's low, even as it closed in the red. Domestic stocks remained volatile through the session. However, the reaction was less severe than in April, when Trump first announced higher tariffs. With a more domestic-oriented economy and deep strategic autonomy, India is not folding easily. The fact is, India's exports are only a marginal contributor to the country's GDP, and analysts expect the hit from US tariffs to be limited to only a few sectors. And still, India will face some pain in the near term, especially on the rupee front. The tariffs come just when foreign capital outflows have already been a drag on the Indian currency. The latest tariffs adding to the existing pressure on the rupee from continued foreign fund outflows and the global risk of sentiment. The rupee fell to a 4-month low, hovering just below its record week level following Trump's tough talk on India. And adding to the pressure, the US has sanctioned 6 Indian companies for buying petrochemicals from Iran. These sanctions block their assets in the US and stop American firms from doing business with them. And while the direct trade impact may be small, it sends out a strong message. This could hurt market sentiment, raise concerns about more trade restrictions, and also put extra pressure on the rupee. Despite the sharp fall, market participants noting that the Reserve Bank of India likely intervened to cap volatility in the currency. And analysts believe, however, that firm intervention may remain limited in the near term given the uncertain external environment. In broader currency markets, Asian peers remained range-bound, while the US dollar index eased slightly. To stay up to speed with the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.